Hi, Phil. It's your favorite son-in-law, John. Do you recognize this motor? Take a good look. Does it look familiar? Look, it even turns. Earlier today, you could hardly turn that with channel locks. Anyway, maybe it'll sound familiar if you don't recognize it. We're going to try to fire it up for you. Are you ready? Here we go. Better stand over here, Ann. Behind the arc of the prop. How about that? That's your K&B 65 Sportster. It still runs good. See you later. That's all for now. From Johnny's Workshop.
It runs well.
It runs well, yes. That's my grammar police helping me out. Talk to you soon.